Hello, hello, hello! Good morning guys. So mao na ni. Mano na ron. Kumusta na atong country bay? Kumusta na yun bitaw atong country kay marabag katawanan kay usahay na we have different voices now. Namatay freedom lagi, freedom of speech. There are different voices now kada imbis mag-unite when there's an enemy. It seems na murag ang atong enemy, if you observe it, as a divide and conquer. We have a divide and conquer strategy. Sa Philippines, murag ano bang mo justify sila na di sila anti-Philippines. Pro-Philippines kuno sila. There people are saying na kuan na di ta makagira, we shouldn't assert our rights. Hadlock sila. Ang point pa na ana ba kinahanglan there's a saying na marabag go to a negotiating table ba makag-negotiate ka but carry a big stick. So may ko sila ganun kaning ubang sectors may nga talawan kayo na kuan kayo na dapat di ka magira kuan. Yes, di ta magira but if di sad ka mo giveaway na sad ka, dili ka mo assert, dili ka mo syagit, dili ka mo complain, dili ka mo try to defend, then what's your leverage when you're negotiating? Diba? When you're really outgunned, you're not doing anything. You allow them to slap you. You allow them to, to live in your backyard. You just allow them. And then you say, we negotiate lang. Then what's your leverage? Diba kung ako sa dangkuan, kung wala tay friction, then why would I negotiate with you if I'm, getting what I want? So maning bright sa king uban lagi na di tayo makipagkira kuan. They might have a point na nasan mo yung mga followers na musugot mo but if you just let China do whatever they want, diba? And then you won't complain, you won't even resist, you won't even try, then what's the point kung ako'y China ba? Why would I listen to you? Now I think China will listen to you because na yung friction. There's an international media nakatutok na if they keep on bullying us, if they won't allow our fisherman they won't go to the negotiating table and agree with some of our demands, then there's no point na marabagkuan ba dapat di sad mo dapat kani ato mga ubang sabaan ba na kuan ba you shouldn't be to ipakita din na to pro-China mo. It's like divide and conquer. You wanna klaro naman kaayo na marabag isira-siraan na nato nila para kunuhay na friction na gubot sa Pilipinas na kuan mahadlok doon sila mo na eleksyon. Ang point na ko hey kamo kuan ba na naglingkod mo sa una kasagaran ba yan yung mga reklamo naglingkod mo sa una boy girl unsa pa mo na we shouldn't if we're gonna negotiation is always there but yung ginahuna-hunaon the other party will only negotiate if there's something to negotiate about. O diba kay kung may friction, kung may mintag mo yayay ta magwawa ta di ta mo yung gidaog-daog ta wa tay reklamo sige itong dili pagian ang baho masinlok di ta mo reklamo mag-supply ta sa atong barko dito ayungin di ta mo reklamo sige giharangan ta di na lang ta mangadto uy mao na ang kuwala na then then mas abusuhon pa ka. And they will get more concessions kung mo negotiate ka. O, diba? Ingnon na lang mo na kasi pwede mo agil ya. Pero every kuan lang. Saturday o Sunday lang. O, pero Monday to Friday, amo na ha. O, ay mo gagil ya. So, mga na mo, ingon ko ninyo na Philippines will always gonna posture na threat of war, threat of invasion, threat of so that kamit man sa media, kanibang international media, di ba, daghan mo sa nadili ganahan sa China gyud. Kasi if you complain about, di ba, Ukraine, if you complain about nga mga Russian ba, you complain about Gaza nag-invade sa Israel, then you should also complain bitaw the China, what's China doing sa tungan. Maingon di man sa China ra naman, Indonesia, Malaysia. But mana kong ingon ha, but sa kanang disputed na area di China naman yung magsamok-samok. Wa man na magsamok-samok ang mga Malaysian sa ato mga kanang shipment, ang mga Vietnamese wa man na hilabot. Asa to ilagi protektahan dito. Diba yan kung maingon na lang muna isog gunuhay mo ya. Pero duwag di ay mo na magngana ba ayaw. It's negotiations, and dapat lagi mo na dapat we shouldn't have voices like that na trying to call you daghan ra bag supporter mo ha. You should also inform na during negotiations you have to have leverage. Bright good ka mo. If you don't have leverage against China lagi, you don't have any grievance, you don't have any na ipakita nato na bully siya. Then the more, diba, the more they act like a bully, the more magnify ilang kabulastugan. Diba, they even create a base na diha. Diba? So kabulastugan ginanahan ko ana. Laliman kag hilabtan ang mga tao, mga into Coast Guard nila, unsa na kabulastugan gina. Di ba? So if you just say we allow, negotiate ka, but if you just say allow, let them give in lang ta silang demands kay para maka-fish atong mga tao, that's crazy. Because we're asserting na ato lagi na kuan. So kinahanglan kung kuan, dapat China must give something also. Mabta na negotiation. If they have full control of the area, what's there to negotiate? Now, at least China trying hard na. Kailangan mo balik mag-negotiate. Pero, mauna. Kung we just allowed China, pero sa una, we just allowed China to do things there. What's there to negotiate? Diba? So, question lang ana, mauna, are you kuan? Madlok mo gira? And China would be stupid if ilan ng girahon. China would be stupid if they're gonna use hypersonic missiles near Pilipinas. That's the stupidest things that they're probably gonna do that will really make the world hate them, diba? So, while China wants to be like China ba? They wanna dominate the world. They wanna be what the US now. Sila sa lang mahimong US. So I don't think they'll be foolish, to use missiles ato. And if you're scared, ana, then ay kung ihatag na lang ninyo ang China, ay ang Pilipinas sa China, di ba? So wala. Let me know what you think. So saan na to ang West Philippine Sea or South China Sea, whatever you call it. Di ba? Thank you so much for watching. Bye.